Here's Ellie, and we think this is a monarch butterfly caterpillar. Whoa. A little close. He's cute. Hold him still. Cool. Can you believe he's going to turn into a beautiful butterfly? Yeah.
What is he doing to me?
He's crawling on you. He's exploring. Excuse me. Cool. Alright, we should find a good place to let him go.
Mom, you know what I'm going to let go?
Yeah.
I'm going to put... Mommy, where's my bug jar?
Well, let's let him go on a nice leaf or something so he can keep eating and growing.
I won't put him near the wall.
Okay.